Let's raise the big question. What is the logic behind a bi-weekly lockdown that Bengal is going for? Is the Bengal lockdown tokenism or can it be effective? How were these lockdown days picked by the Bengal government? Is there a conscious attempt to keep Fridays, as the opposition alleges, out of the lockdown mode? Derek O'Brien, the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament and Rajya Sabha leader, joins me at the moment. Appreciate your joining us. Mr. O'Brien, you tell us, why did you choose 2 days in a week? It is across the world, bi-weekly lockdowns, choosing two random dates just don't seem to work. What is Bengal trying to do?
I'll answer what Bengal is trying to do. What is the media trying to do? You guys have a lockdown also. There's a lockdown on the freedom of the media. How many of you are doing, I know you're doing a story today after this on the UP journalist who was shot dead in cold blood. You're doing stories on lockdown in Bengal. I'll tell you, it's time the media stands up and stops believing WhatsApp University. Come to the science and Bengal will tell you what to do. Listen, I was shocked, and I'm not actually shocked by what I just saw. The BJP know the elections are in March. They cannot win on development. They cannot take on Mamata Banerjee. So the only thing which will work for them to try and be the principal opposition in Bengal is to do polarization. Polarization. So they purchased all the institutions, including most of the media, and you guys are carrying this kind of nonsense. Now listen to
don't, Derek O'Brien, this is not about the media. I'm asking you a serious question. Epidemiologists across the world have also raised questions. You can't have musical chairs choosing which day of the week. How will the people think of the citizens of Bengal? Think about someone who has to open his shop one day, close it the next.
You call it musical chairs, I call it WhatsApp University. Now listen to me, give me 3 minutes for a little bit of a science class. Stop believing.
I have asked you a question, please answer the question.
I'm answering your question.
What is the logic?
Listen to me for 2.5 minutes, please.
Yes.
Bureaucrats and politicians don't take decisions unless good bureaucrats and good politicians. They discuss with epidemiologists, they discuss with economists, they discuss with mathematicians, and they discuss with experts. That's what the Bengal government has done. Listen to this. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. They've done a mathematical study. Please give me 2 minutes to explain this. It is not pulling out Solomon Grundy, pulling 2 names, 2 days out of the hat. No. The best thing for this is to have a 2-week complete lockdown. That's not possible now. So, in this predictive model, it's a mathematical model, put out by IIC Bangalore, they are proposing, which we agree with, short-term hard lockdowns work. Without a hard lockdown, the number of infections in Bengal will reach 1 lakh by October. Now, if there's a hard lockdown once a week, the number of infections will be reduced as per this mathematical predictive model to show in the graph here, which you can go online and check, it'll be down to 40,000. Now listen to this. The Indian Institute of Bangalore suggests if there's a hard lockdown twice a week, then the number of infections, provided everybody is wearing masks and everything, will be reduced to 20,000. That's the model here. Please.
There are various models, Mr. O'Brien. I'm just looking at it from the citizens of Bengal's perspective. I don't know today, how do I plan my life? You can't have random days. Nobody's saying you don't have 2 days lockdown, but then plan it out. There are parts of the world which plan on weekends or specific dates. And that's why the opposition is now saying, why not Friday?
Mr. Sardesai, please, this is not a Solomon Grundy choose a date. Listen to me now, please. We're having a serious debate.
Yes.
For WhatsApp University, you go to these BJP jokers. You come for a serious debate, we'll tell you. Listen to this. The dates which the days which the Science Bangalore recommended was a Wednesday and a Sunday. That's the ideal date. Next comes Thursday and a Saturday. Second ideal date. We have chosen the first Thursday and Saturday. Next week we've announced Wednesday. Now immediately you'll jump in and say polarization debate. Listen, Bengal have done at least 9-10 things positively from March. We had a lockdown much before the national lockdown. Do you know that? Migrant workers who handled. So you follow the Bengal model. Please,
Sir, the
shocked.
Bengal model is also known for under-testing. Let's be very clear. Let's not get it. I am asking today specifically a question on what you are claiming today to me, that you have chosen these dates based on a model that the Indian Institute of Science has put in place. Is that what you are claiming?
I am not claiming anything. I have the graphs here, but the television will here. These are the graphs. This is not a WhatsApp university. Listen to me. You have to understand this. The Bengal elections are in 6-7 months. That's why the BJP are playing this card. That's why we are putting out what we have. We have not chosen days like this. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked that a large media house like India Today have not even bothered to check. And y'all are running this trash on your channel.
No. One minute. Mr. O'Brien, now let's be very clear. A political party, your principal opposition, is raising the question about why Fridays have been kept out. They are claiming this is a communal card. I am willing to concede that the BJP is playing its politics there. I am just asking you, on what basis do you choose 2 days in a week? That's all. And how do the people of Bengal plan their lives? How will the people plan their lives?
Mr. Sardesai, we do not go to anybody except experts. We go to experts to choose. Those experts don't look at religious days. Next, if you say you have next week, if we choose Wednesday and Sunday, you'll say, oh, you can't go to church, you can't go to the temple. Please, let's leave this out. This country has seen enough of this.
So you are saying, correct me if I'm wrong in conclusion, you are saying the dates have been chosen on the basis of an expert opinion, on the basis of a predictive model that experts have put in place. Am I correct?
These experts are not some people who are my friends from college doing BSc in Calcutta University. This is the Institute of Science in Bangalore. I would urge all of you now, but let me also tell you, is it going to work perfectly? We don't know.
Okay.
Obviously, we don't know, because we have to have that humility. We are trying something, and I'm giving you the basis of which we are trying. Those same experts in Bangalore told us Thursday and Sunday, the graphs are here. Go online, all of you who are watching the channel, and study it. Now, the mathematical model will only work if we get the other part right.
Okay.
People have to wear masks. People have to have social distancing. So mathematical models cannot be the perfect way to go it. We are trying something.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying, and people have been informed in advance.
We'll see how it works on the ground. We'll see how it works on the ground. We will keep tracking it. We are not here to follow a WhatsApp university. We will do journalism, Mr. O'Brien. Do not shoot the messenger, is my request to you. Okay.
Mr. Sardesai, let me make one last point to you.
Yes.
Please, when we start becoming irrational, when we start bringing religion into anything, that is what the BJP want. Let's stay on science. Only science will win when we fight the battle against COVID.
Okay.
Not the kind of dirt which the BJP are trying to spread. This is dirty politics.
Let's leave it.
And I'm ashamed that their spokesperson are coming and saying the things they're doing.
Let's leave it there. Mr. O'Brien, you've made your point. Mr. O'Brien, you've made your point. Let's not get apoplectic now. You've made your point. That's why we give you the chance and the platform to make your point. I've asked you the questions. I appreciate your joining us. We will certainly check that mathematical model which says choose particular days of the week and do it twice a week.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.